Hello, class. As you can see, I'm not here because I'm right here telling you I'm not here. I have to be out today because, very much like you, I also have to finish an essay. Actually, I have to finish 4 essays. 3 of them are for a scholarship that's hopefully $5,000. One of them is for a master's program, so I don't have to pay another $3,000. So as you can see, really, the stuff I learned in high school was still applicable. Now it's just worth more money. First things first, maybe second things first, be cool for Miss Naylor. It's really nice of her to pick up the job. We are grateful to her, and we've talked about this. Be cool to the sub. Today's a work day for your essays. I'm actually doing the exact same strategy that I want you to do. That's right, you. You should look at the examples that are provided in the essay instructions to make sure and kind of evaluate your essay to see if it's good enough or about what you're looking for. If you're not in my honors class, then your concept is due tonight. If you are in my honors class, your concept map was due last night, so hopefully you did that. If not, then your grade's going to go to an F very quickly. 5th period, we discussed an alternate due date. With 5 minutes left in the period, there's going to be a question that'll post to Classroom. So make sure that you check that and answer it. It's worth really easy points, like basically extra credit for being cool. And 7th period, 4 of you left your essays, and I'm sorry about that. They are on the table, like that desk next to the whiteboard. So make sure to pick that up. Use the peer revision stuff that we did last class, combine it with the example essays, and then make sure you turn everything in. Just don't forget. Again, your grade will drop very quickly if you forget. Thanks. Have a great day.